Stop by and take a look at the 2013 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, panoramic moonroof, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.